Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to become the operator in your own server. I'm also gonna show you how to make so you can like show coordinates, show like days played. I'll show you that. So first, um, alright, it's for me it's Sweden, but look, it's gonna say console right here. Click on it. No, 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 it's not console. It's not. It's this like. No, it's like program thingy right here under players. So you gotta have your server online. So I'll be right back when server's online. Alright, now that my server is online, click players. I mean, if you're Swedish, it's spelare, and then click operators. Then just put your Aternos account right here. Like click this, and then add. It will say like something add. It's gonna be a plus on this, but just click it. And now is go to your account or whatever it's called again. Oh wait, let me switch my avatar. I just press play. It's on, and then flop and Windows SMB connecting to external server. It might take some time. I'm sorry. Oh yes. Alright, so we're in the game now. Oh, sleep dirtons. Oh my god, I'm so distracting. Alright, so look, slash. But no, wait, what? It doesn't work?
From the first moment I hit it, it's like peak speed.
Alright, now after you need to be in the game. And now slash. Now you have your commands, everything. You have everything you need. Now I'm gonna show you now how to like change game rules so you can like do like how many days played and coordinates. Like press console, then look. Um, it's to slash show coordinates true. Oh wait, it's show coordinates true. What? I don't know. Oh, it's probably yes, do that. But if you wanna watch an easier videos, well, just search it on YouTube. I'm not really good at tutorials. I hope you learned something today. So bye bye and see you later. Woo!